Hello guys, please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss our video. Click on your Google and search for www.gta5android.com free download. And after writing that, this type of picture you can able to see, then click on download and this type of icon you can see, so press OK and next, then automatically your game will download. After download there will come two options, cancel and install it and enjoy your game. Fun. And look, you can see my game is installing, very fun too. And you can see this GTA 5. Look here, yes. And next part will surely come if my 100 subscriber close, and the video is how we can play GTA 5. So, and code for it, seed code for it, fun. So for now, bye bye viewers, subscribe to my channels and give a big thumbs up. So bye bye.